Welcome to Albania, a country where ancient mountains meet unspoiled beaches and where history, culture, and nature blend into one unforgettable journey. Tucked away in the Western Balkans and long overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Albania is finally gaining the attention it deserves. This is a land of contrasts, from snow-capped peaks to crystal-clear seas, from Ottoman castles to vibrant, modern cities. For travelers seeking something off the beaten path, full of authenticity and adventure, Albania is not just a destination, it's a revelation waiting to be experienced.
Tucked along the western edge of the Balkan Peninsula, Albania lies just across the Adriatic Sea from southern Italy, nestled between the Dalmatian coast of Montenegro to the north and Greece to the south. It shares borders with North Macedonia and Kosovo, and boasts both Adriatic and Ionian shorelines. This strategic location places Albania right at the crossroads of southern and southeastern Europe. Despite its proximity to popular Mediterranean destinations, Albania has remained largely off the radar until now. From the mountain peaks of the north to the turquoise waters of the south, this video will guide you through the places that make Albania a country like no other.
Nestled between Greece to the south and Montenegro to the north, Albania is a compact country packed with surprises. It boasts over 450 kilometers of coastline, dramatic mountain ranges, and centuries-old towns. Despite its size, Albania delivers the kind of variety you'd expect from much larger countries. Whether you're a beach lover, a history enthusiast, a hiker, or a foodie, you'll find something here that feels tailor-made just for you. It's the kind of place where you can swim in the sea in the morning and hike alpine trails by the afternoon.
Let's begin our journey in the south, where the Ionian Sea shimmers in shades of turquoise and sapphire. This region is known as the Albanian Riviera, and it's often compared to the Greek islands for its beauty, but without the crowds or the high prices. Here, dramatic cliffs rise from the sea, dotted with secluded coves and fishing villages. The winding coastal roads offer panoramic views at every turn, and each stop feels like a postcard brought to life. The pace is slower here, the vibe more relaxed, a true escape.
One of the crown jewels of the Albanian Riviera is Ksamil, a dreamy coastal village with white sand beaches and calm, shallow waters. Often called the Maldives of Europe, Ksamil is surrounded by small islands that can be reached by kayak or paddleboat. The beaches here are family-friendly, and beach bars serve up fresh seafood with unbeatable sea views. During the summer, it becomes a lively yet still manageable destination, especially appealing to travelers looking for beauty without pretension.
Just a few kilometers from Ksamil, hidden in a forested landscape, lies one of Albania's greatest treasures, the ancient city of Butrint. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has been inhabited since prehistoric times and features ruins from Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Venetian civilizations. Walking through Butrint feels like stepping back in time. Amphitheaters, mosaics, and basilicas rest under towering trees, with birdsong echoing through the ruins. It's a place where nature and history coexist in haunting harmony.
Heading north along the coast, we arrive in Saranda, the heart of the Albanian Riviera. With its palm-lined promenade, open-air cafes, and a hilltop castle overlooking the bay, Saranda is a favorite for both Albanians and international visitors. It offers a perfect mix of urban energy and beach town ease. From here, it's easy to explore nearby beaches, hop over to Corfu by ferry, or simply enjoy a sunset drink with a view of the harbor. Saranda is a launchpad for adventure or a destination in itself.
Saranda truly comes alive when the sun begins to set, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple over the Ionian Sea. The waterfront promenade fills with locals and visitors alike, strolling between the cafes and seafood restaurants. The gentle sea breeze mixes with the scent of grilled fish and fresh herbs. After dark, the town transforms into a lively hub with bars, live music, and summer festivals that celebrate Albanian culture, music, and dance. Whether you're sipping a local wine on a terrace or dancing under the stars, Saranda offers an authentic taste of Albanian summer nightlife that feels intimate and joyful.
Just a short drive from Saranda, Gjirokastër offers a quieter, more relaxed vibe. Nestled between the sparkling sea and lush green mountains, this small town combines pristine, secluded beaches with scenic hiking trails that wind through ancient olive groves and wildflower meadows. Gjirokastër's Greek heritage is visible in its architecture and friendly bilingual locals, creating a unique cultural blend. Whether you want to swim in crystal clear waters, explore hidden coves, or trek up to panoramic viewpoints overlooking the coastline, Gjirokastër provides a peaceful retreat away from the tourist crowds, perfect for travelers who seek both nature and tranquility.
Heading inland from the coast, the landscape becomes rugged and dramatic, leading us to Gjirokastër, Albania's stone city. This UNESCO World Heritage town is famous for its distinctive Ottoman-era stone houses with slate roofs, cascading down the steep hillsides like a fortress in itself. Walking through the narrow, cobbled streets, you can almost hear the echoes of centuries past. At the summit, the massive hilltop castle watches over the city, its walls telling stories of battles and empires. Inside, the castle houses a museum dedicated to the region's history, including relics from World War II. Gjirokastër's authentic atmosphere is like stepping into a living history book.
Gjirokastër's fortress is not just a landmark but a symbol of resilience and cultural pride. From its ramparts, panoramic views stretch across the valley and distant mountains. The fortress itself contains a vast military museum filled with weapons, uniforms, and artifacts, offering insight into Albania's turbulent 20th century history. Visitors can also explore the dungeons, old prison cells, and the castle's amphitheater, which hosts annual folk festivals celebrating traditional music and dance. The experience here blends powerful history with a vibrant present, making it one of Albania's most memorable destinations.
Continuing northward, we arrive at Berat, often called the City of 1,000 Windows for its unique architecture. The town's white Ottoman-era houses climb the hillsides in neat rows, their large wooden windows giving the town a distinctive and picturesque look. Berat is a living museum where every corner tells a story, from the narrow stone streets to the impressive hilltop castle that watches over the city. This castle isn't just a fortress, it's home to churches, mosques, and ancient houses that illustrate Berat's long history as a place of cultural harmony.
Berat is a beautiful blend of religious traditions, with mosques standing peacefully beside Orthodox churches, reflecting centuries of coexistence and tolerance. The Mangalam and Gjirokastër neighborhoods, divided by the Osum River, showcase different architectural styles, yet together form a harmonious whole. Walking through Berat's old town feels like stepping into a timeless storybook filled with cobblestone alleys, artisan workshops, and vibrant markets. UNESCO has recognized Berat for its outstanding preservation of both Islamic and Christian cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination for history lovers and architecture enthusiasts alike.
Albania is not only about historic towns and stunning coasts, it's also home to breathtaking natural phenomena. One of the most mesmerizing is the Blue Eye, a deep freshwater spring located in the south. Its waters are an extraordinary mix of electric blue and emerald green, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that seem almost unreal. The spring bubbles up from a deep underground source, feeding clear, icy waters into the surrounding river. Visitors come here to marvel at its beauty, to photograph the vibrant hues, and to enjoy peaceful walks through the surrounding pine forests.
The area around the Blue Eye offers well-marked trails for hikers of all levels, winding through lush woods filled with wildflowers and birdsong. The water's temperature remains icy cold year-round, making it a refreshing spot during hot summer days. Local guides often share legends and stories about the spring's mysterious depths and healing powers, adding a layer of folklore to the natural wonder. Whether you're seeking solitude, nature photography, or a quick escape from city life, the Blue Eye delivers an unforgettable sensory experience deep in Albania's countryside.
In the east, along the border with North Macedonia, lies Lake Ohrid, one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes. The Albanian town of Pogradec rests peacefully on its shores, offering a serene atmosphere that contrasts with the bustling coastal towns. Pogradec is known for its tranquil waterfront promenade, shaded parks, and delicious freshwater fish caught from the lake. Visitors can relax by the water, rent boats to explore the lake's clear depths, or enjoy lakeside cafes while watching stunning sunsets over the water. Lake Ohrid's calm presence invites travelers to slow down and soak in the natural beauty.
As we journey further north, the landscape transforms dramatically into the rugged beauty of the Albanian Alps. Two of the most famous alpine villages, Faith and Valbona, are hidden gems for adventure seekers and nature lovers. These remote mountain communities feel like stepping into a different world, where traditional lifestyles continue largely untouched. Faith is famous for its stone tower houses and a charming church that dates back centuries, while Valbona Valley offers lush meadows and crystal-clear rivers framed by jagged peaks.
One of the most iconic experiences in Albania is hiking the Faith Valbona Trail, a challenging but breathtaking trek that connects these two villages through high mountain passes and wild landscapes. The trail passes waterfalls, alpine meadows filled with wildflowers, and ancient shepherd huts. Along the way, hikers encounter local shepherds and can enjoy traditional mountain hospitality in goose houses. This trek is a perfect blend of physical challenge and cultural immersion, rewarding visitors with some of the most spectacular views in the Balkans.
Valbona Valley National Park is a pristine natural sanctuary known for its dense forests, roaring rivers, and towering peaks. It's a haven for photographers, bird watchers, and anyone wanting to experience pure wilderness. The valley is dotted with cozy mountain lodges offering warm Albanian hospitality and hearty homemade meals. Whether you're rafting down the river, hiking scenic trails, or simply soaking in the tranquility, Valbona's untouched beauty offers a rare chance to connect deeply with nature.
Returning to urban life, Tirana is a city bursting with color, creativity, and energy. Once a gray and quiet city under communist rule, it has transformed into a lively capital filled with street art, trendy cafes, and lively markets. Brightly painted buildings line the streets, and public squares hum with activity day and night. Tirana offers a modern Albanian experience where history meets youthful innovation, a place where ancient mosques stand next to contemporary galleries and open-air concerts.
At the heart of Tirana lies Skanderbeg Square, named after the national hero who resisted the Ottoman Empire. This spacious plaza is surrounded by key landmarks like the National History Museum, with its famous mosaic facade, and the beautiful Itihembe Mosque, a symbol of religious tolerance. The square is a gathering spot for locals and tourists alike, hosting festivals, markets, and cultural events. Nearby, the Pyramid of Tirana stands as a reminder of the city's complex recent past and its ongoing transformation.
Once off-limits to ordinary citizens during communist times, the Bloka district in Tirana has undergone a complete transformation. Today, it's one of the city's most fashionable areas, a vibrant neighborhood filled with stylish bars, gourmet restaurants, boutique shops, and buzzing nightlife. What was once a symbol of control and privilege is now a center of freedom and creativity. Young Albanians gather here to socialize, while visitors can enjoy a modern, cosmopolitan side of the country that still retains its unique charm.
Among the quiet hills of southern Albania lies Apollonia, an ancient city founded by the Greeks in the 6th century BC. Its well-preserved ruins, including a theater, a monumental area, and remains of temples, tell centuries of Hellenistic and Roman history. Surrounded by olive groves and golden fields, Apollonia offers an almost mystical atmosphere, far from the beaten tourist paths. It's an ideal place for history lovers seeking a deep connection with the roots of the Mediterranean.
Albanian cuisine is a delicious reflection of its rich cultural history, blending Mediterranean freshness, Balkan heartiness, and Ottoman spice. Meals are built around seasonal vegetables, grilled meats, and fresh herbs. Must-try dishes include Berat, a savory pastry filled with cheese or meat, tave kosi, a baked lamb and yogurt dish, and an abundance of fresh seafood along the coast. Meals are often accompanied by homemade raki and warm hospitality. Eating in Albania is more than just food, it's a cultural ritual.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through Albania, a country full of soul, scenery, and surprises. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new destination. At DSV Travel Trip, we bring the world to your screen, one story at a time, from iconic hotspots to hidden gems. Got a favorite Albanian place we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, the best trips are the ones you haven't taken yet.